Alrighty, we are on lesson number 70, which is on page 446, and it starts off by talking about fractions. So this says we know that the fraction 1/2 means that the whole has been divided into two parts. To find the number in 1/2 of a group, we divide the total number of the group by 2. So we divide by that denominator there. To find the number in 1/3 of a group, we divide the total number in the group by 3. Same thing, divide by that denominator. To find the number in 1/4 of a group, we divide the total number in the group by 4, and so on. So whatever number is in that bottom spot, in that denominator spot, that's what we divide by. So, example 1 says 1/2 of the carrot seeds sprouted. If 84 seeds were planted, how many seeds sprouted? So we want to know if 1/2 sprouted, how many did sprout? So it tells us we can draw a picture. That might be helpful. So we have our picture here, and we're going to divide it into half. So this will be 1/2, and this will be 1/2 of our seeds that sprouted. And we started off with 84 seeds. So we're going to put 84 up there at the top. Now, to find out what these are, we are going to, again, divide by 2. So, we're going to do 2 on the outside, 84 on the inside. 2 goes into 8 4 times. 2 times 4 is 8, which equals 0. We move down that 4, and 2 goes into 4 2 times, and 2 times 2 is 4. No remainders. So, dividing it in half, you get 42 seeds in each sprouted. So our answer would be 42 seeds. That's our answer. So again, we're just dividing by that denominator, what's there at the bottom. Example 2 says, on Friday, 1/3 of 27 students purchased lunch in the school cafeteria. How many students purchased lunch on Friday? So, 1/3 of 27 students purchased lunch. So we can draw our picture again and divide it into thirds. So we got 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3. And we had 27 students. Again, we're dividing by this denominator here. So 3 into 27. 3 goes into 27 9 times, because 3 times 9 is 27. Nothing left. So 9 is dividing it into 1/3. So 9 students, oh sorry, you can't see that, 9 students bought their lunch on Friday. Alright. And here at the bottom it says 1/4 of the team's 32 points were scored by Ty. How many points did Ty score? So we know he scored 1/4. So again, let's draw our box here. Divide it into 4 rectangles. So this represents 1/4. This is 1/4. This is 1/4. This is 1/4. And it said they're 32 points. So their total number of points is 32. We're going to divide that by our denominator here, which is 4. So 32. 4 goes into 32. 7 times. 8 times. I thought it was, and I just had to check. 8 times, sorry. So 4 times 8 is 32. So 1/4 of 32 is 8. Now if we wanted to figure out how much everyone else scored, because we know he scored 8 points. But if we want to figure out how many points everyone else scored, we could add up what he didn't score. So he didn't score 3/4 of the points. So we would add all these up to find out how much he didn't score. But it's asking how much he did score. He scored 8 points. And we turn our page. We go up here, and this just shows us what I just did with you guys. All right, this just asks, what is 1/5 of 40? So 1/5, so we have 40. Oops, sorry. 40, and we got our rectangle here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And these are each 1/5. We can also think of it as we put 40 divided by 5. It's kind of the same thing because that's how we can show division. It's the same thing. 40 times 1 is 40, so 40 over 5. Now we're going to divide 40 by 5. So 5 goes into 40. We can count by 5s. Go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. We have 8. Which is a lovely even number because 5 times 8 is 40. So 1/5 of 40 again is 8. So if it asks, what is 1/5 of 40? 8 is 1/5 of 40. And those are all our examples. There's lesson practice here that says to draw a picture. So please be doing some of this lesson practice. If you would like me to post the answers, please let me know. No one has said anything, so I'm guessing you're getting all of these right and you're understanding everything that I'm teaching. I don't think that is true for everyone, so those of you who are having trouble, please let me know. Please try these lesson practice problems to see if you get it. Don't just try to get your work done quickly. You're gonna need to take more time to sit and do your work than you would normally in class. I want to make sure that you're understanding this and that you're still learning as I would expect you to, just from home. So please try these. Let me know if you want me to give you the answers. I will be very happy with those of you who ask for the answers. I don't know what to do for some positive reinforcement for you, but hey, maybe I'll let your parents know that you are doing great with your online learning. So please try these. Please ask questions. Tell me what you're having trouble with. Tomorrow will be a review day, so write down what problems you're having trouble with, what type of math you're having trouble with, so we can go over it together. So there's our examples, and I'll post homework after.